Hello everyone. Today we are going to build a simple flashing railroad lights using Electro Playboard. We'll learn how to control two LEDs with precise timing, create an alternating flash pattern, and simulate a real-life railway signal. This is possible because we are using an IC555, which is an IC timer. For this project, you're going to need an Electro Playboard, a few jumper wires, a red LED, and a green LED. Also, you're going to need a 9-volt battery. So, let's begin the experiment. First, we're going to go ahead and plug in one of our wires from the power source, 6 volt or 9 volt, and we'll directly connect it to pin number 4 on IC555, which is J54. Then we're going to go ahead and plug in another wire from the power source, and we'll connect it to the 8th wire on IC555, that is J58. Then we're going to go ahead and link pin number 3, that would be here, from J53 to one of the terminals of a 4K resistor. So now if you see, the 4K resistor is J9. So we'll connect it here. Then we'll go ahead and connect the other terminal, that is J10, and we'll connect it to the 6th pin on IC555, that will be J56. Then we're going to go ahead and connect pin number 2 of IC555, that will be this. And we'll connect it to the 10 microfarad capacitor, J47. Then we're going to go ahead and connect the other terminal of the capacitor, J48, directly to the battery ground. Now we're going to go ahead and connect pin number 1 of IC555, J51, directly to the battery ground. Then we're going to go ahead and take our first LED, which would be the red LED. We'll connect the red wire of the first LED to 6 volt or 9 volt to the power source, and we'll connect the black wire of the LED to J11, which has 330 ohms of resistor. That will be here. Then we're going to go ahead and take another wire. We'll connect it from J12 to J53, which is the 3rd pin on IC555. Now we'll connect the 3rd pin of J53, which is right here. And we'll connect this wire to J5, which is 470 ohms of resistor. Then we're going to go ahead and take our second LED, which would be the green LED. We're going to connect the red wire or the orange wire from J6. And we'll connect the black wire directly to the ground. Okay, once your setup looks something like this, we're going to go ahead and connect our battery to the battery snapper. And we will turn this on to test out this experiment. If you can see, the green and red LEDs are bouncing in between due to the timer. If you can see that the flashing lights between the red and green LEDs, that means you've been successful with your project and you've just built a flashing railroad lights using Electro Playboard. So, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this.